Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to fix cannot comment on Facebook post, and I'll guide you step by step so you can solve this problem quickly. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you are logged into your account because without logging in, you cannot access your profile or interact with posts. Step 2. Within the menu, try to find any post where you want to comment. Type something and hit send. If your comment goes through, that's great, but if it doesn't, don't panic, just follow the next steps. Step 3. From the menu, check if your Facebook app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can cause glitches, including problems with comments. After updating, locate your profile icon at the top and tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Scroll down in the menu until you see the Help and Support option. This section is very useful because it gives you access to tools that can fix problems. Tap on it and then choose the Report a Problem menu. Step 5. Once you're inside, tap on the Continue to Report a Problem option. You'll then see an option to include additional details at the bottom. It's important to select this so Facebook gets more context about the issue. Step 6. From the menu, if you notice a comment related option, open it. If not, choose the closest available option. Provide clear details about your problem and, if possible, attach a screenshot showing that you cannot comment. Finally, send your report and Facebook will investigate the issue and provide a solution. Thank you for watching Fix Your Apps, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.